Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making chicken pie together and I'll be listing the ingredients in the comments below. I'm adding baking powder and salt into the flour and mixing it together. Don't worry, I'll add the measurements in the comments as well. I've got my butter cubes ready and I'm adding it to the flour, and this is where the work begins, guys. I'll be massaging it into the flour, as you can see, until it looks like breadcrumbs. I'm adding cold water and egg into the mixture, and I'll be mixing it all together until it looks like dough. Guys, can you believe this is my third time making chicken pie and I feel like a pro already? Honestly, I feel like you can do anything by practicing, it only takes practicing. Practice makes improvement, okay? So let's improve together. I've achieved the consistency that I want with my dough, and I just added a little flour and I'm working that into the dough. I'm cutting the dough into two portions and molding it into a ball so I can wrap it into a cling film and leave it in the fridge for, I would say, 30 minutes to an hour. Until I'm done with my fillings. I'm adding onions to my already marinated chicken breast and boiling for 10 to 12 minutes. And while that happens, I'm peeling the potatoes and carrots and cutting them into desired cubes. I'm adding oil to the pan and I'll be adding onions as soon as that gets hot. I'm stirring that together and I'll be introducing the ginger and garlic into the pan, mixing again, and then I'll be adding the Scotch Bonnet. Right after that, I added the shredded chicken breast into the mixture and I gave that a good mix. And now I'm adding my carrots and potatoes into the mixture. I added paprika and a little bit of chicken stock to the mixture and gave that a good stir. And then I added flour to thicken it up. I mixed thoroughly and let it simmer for 5 minutes on low heat, then let it cool. The dough is out of the fridge now and I'm cutting it into the sizes I want for each pie. I returned the ones that weren't going to be used yet back into the fridge as I wanted to keep the dough hydrated and stop the butter from melting. Now I'm sprinkling some flour on my worktop and on top of the dough, and I'm rolling it into my desired flat shape. I'm laying the dough on a dumpling dough press, adding the fillings, and then I'm adding egg wash around as a binder and then molded it into the pie shape. I'm adding egg wash on top of each pie and perforating with a fork. I baked in the oven at 175 degrees for 30 minutes, and here's the result, guys. It was yummy, delicious. I'm not even capping. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Like, look at that. Oh, I can't wait to make this again. I can't wait to make it. Bye, guys.